Hi everyone, what is going on? My name is Jeremy Palmer. Welcome to another episode with the Buy and Destroyer 8.0. Now in today's video, I'm actually doing some live trading for you. Not only that, I'm doing trading on a Friday, which is very, very rare for me to do. The reason being is because my trading week starts on Monday and finishes on Thursday. I don't actually trade Fridays. And the reason being is simply because I want a 3-day weekend. Why not? And Fridays tend to be a very quiet time in terms of volatility on the market. But I loaded up my computer, I started doing some emails, thought I'd have a quick look on the chart, and I got this absolute beautiful setup on USD/JPY. Now, again, this is on the 15-minute time frame, and we've got a Mogwai arrow. We've got the MACD just about to cross over here. And not only that, if we go over to the higher time frame here, if you actually have a look at the daily, I think it might be better to have a look at the daily, and you can see just how strong this resistance is. So if I just zoom out like that there, okay, you can see a number of touches from this resistance level. Got a touch there, got a touch there, got a touch there, got a touch there. And again, if we actually zoom in as well at this area here, we've got two touches. We've got a touch here and we've got a touch there, which is quite nice. Okay, clearly a strong resistance area at this level. Again, just get rid of that area there. If we go down to the 5 minutes, make this a little bit bigger onto 15. There we go there. And on the 15-minute charts now, I'll just get rid of that as well. We've got the MACD crossing over as well. And we've got a beautiful Mogwai signal. Now, as you can see here, I've actually stacked quite a lot of trades on that because I'm confident that this is going to be a winner. My success ratio for this month so far, I mean, today's date is the 8th of October. I'm on a 100% win ratio so far. But yeah, I'm confident I will get around 5 pips on this trade. Now, believe it or not, but today has actually been quite good for trading. Okay, we've had these nice little sells on Euro USD, kind of back-to-back sell there. Nice one there, nice one there. And again, see how the MACD's crossed over, especially this one here. USD CAD, again, some nice little buys there. The only thing I would say about these setups is the TCA line has clearly come outside the bands on this one. And also that one as well. So probably a trade that I would not take. Aussie US dollar. Again, you can see here, I actually marked up this setup here. Probably go to the 1 hour chart, so you can see the area of resistance here. A touch there. Well, you can see that one was a nice little winner. Where we're going to support there, resistance there, and again resistance here, which explains the 1 hour resistance. We go over to the 5 minutes, and there we go. We've got that nice little sell setup there. MACD crossed over nicely. Again, nice little sell. So basically, yeah, that explains the sell that I'm taking right now on USD/JPY. If you actually notice as well, you see how the TCA line has just started to turn red, and we're below that TCA line. See how it drops slightly? You'll see here, if you actually look at these trades, see here, I've closed, or let me say that again, some of these are actually set at 5 pips, and then the other trades I'm going to let off to go for 10 pips. Literally, I need 0.6 pips, and these trades are closing nicely in profit. I think, here we go, 4.8, 4.9, give me 5 pips. There we go there, and they'll start to close off. And then I've got these trades which I've set at 10 pips, as you can see there. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just going to set that to 10 pips as well. You'll notice I haven't actually set a stop loss. The reason being is because I actually physically watch the trade. You can see it's still dropping nicely now. Again, I should at least get another 5 pips out of these trades. But yeah, I don't actually physically set a stop loss. The reason being is because if I actually set a stop loss like this, and I'm sure this happens to you, especially if you're scalping off the lower time frame, you will see price comes up like this, stops you out, you lose the trade, and then price reverses. and yeah, as you can see here, price reverses and then drops into your favor, and unfortunately you lost the trade because you had a stop loss. That's why I actually don't set a stop loss for that reason. I actually mentally set one. So what I'll normally do is do a little line like this. If price breaks this line and stays above this line, I will close it off in a loss. So to give an example here, that is around a 10, was in fact around a 13 pip stop loss. So as you can see here, I've closed some of them off at 5 pips. And what I will do is, where's that trade? Is I will actually leave the others to go to 10 pips. So yeah, as you can see, that's a nice little sell on USD/JPY. And yeah, my success continues. Fingers crossed I can end October with another 100%. That'd be nice. I've actually, oh look, I've already beat September's record. September I did 25 trades, and October I've done 26 already with these trades. Already, you see here 6 pips now. 6. But what I'll actually do is I'll just close them off like that. There you go. I was actually going to leave these to 10 pips, but I'm decided I'm just going to close them off. And as you can see here, I'm now at 29 trades, and my profit for today, so history, well, as you can see here, my history for today is a nice bit of £223 banked. So yeah, as you can see here, a very rare thing for me to be trading a Friday, but I can't ignore a setup like this. And as you see here, that's me trading, and I hope you have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you next week for some more live trading.